Dr. Candice and Dr. Max from APM Sports Chiropractic. Today we're going to go over some flossing for the elbow. So this helps with recovery after a workout, also could help with some pain or if your elbow is just feeling a little wonky. So what we're going to do is we're going to take Dr. Max's elbow like this and we're going to wrap it. So we're going to do 50% stretch all the way around, and you'll want to overlap it about halfway. You just take it and you stick it on and in. All right, you're just going to put that through some range of motion. So you want to do this for about a minute or so, and then go ahead and take the band off. If you have any questions, comment below or hit us up at APM.